Every year, companies spend millions of dollars to get you to feel something during the big game. But GeniusCash doesn't need a multi-million-dollar ad to tell you something important. We were this close to buying a real ad. They wanted a ton of money. We offered exposure. Shockingly, they passed. We wanted to have big, cool explosions, but Kelly in accounting said, no. We considered getting a professional athlete, but Kyle here runs the 40-yard dash in, well, he finishes, eventually. So instead of wasting money on a big fancy commercial, we're putting that cash where it actually matters, in the pockets of Canadians. To get your share, sign up, find an offer you like, and get paid. GeniusCash. Download the app today.